Good day everyone. I am Pierre Pagapulaan and the topic is the Philippine institutions. What is constitution? Constitution is the highest law of a country that sets out of how the government is organized and how power is shared. It defines the roles of different branches of governments and protects the rights of the citizens. All laws and government's action to must follows the rules laid down of the Constitution. The 18 the, the 1897 Constitution of the Bato marked an important step toward forming a structured and independent Filipino government. It showed the revolution's desire to move away from Spanish colonial rule and establish a formal system government. Through short, it remained a significant foundation in the Philippines' fight for independence. The preamble of the Bato Constitution states the goals and principles of the Filipino Revolution government. It emphasized the desire to establish a republic founded on national sovereignty, justice, and the welfare of the people. This declaration reflects the strong commitment of Filipino to gain independence from Spanish rules. The 1899 Morelos Constitution was the first republican constitution of the Philippines, adopted during the First Philippine Republic under Emilio Aguinaldo. It set up a formal system of government. It represented a major step toward independence after conquest of Spanish colonial rule.
Good day, guys. I'm next representative of this topic of the Philippine Constitution. Philippine Organic Act of 1902, also known as the Philippine Bill of 1902, was the first organic law enacted by the U.S. Congress for the Philippines. Philippine Autonomy Act of 1916, also known as the Jones Law, amended the structure of the Philippine government that was provided for in the Philippines Bill of 1902. The tiding of M.F. Davey Act of 1934 was a key law passed by the U.S. Congress that set a path toward Philippines independence. It promised independence within 10 years, established in the Philippines Commonwealth as transitional government that give Philippines more control over their political future while maintaining some U.S. control over economic matters and military presence. Act also imposed restriction of immigrations to the U.S. and limited trade, while the independence process was delayed by World War II. The Act goals were ultimately realized. The Philippines gained full independence on July 4, 1946, following the end of the war. The act marked a significant step that Philippines' journey to become a sovereign republic. The 1935 Philippines Constitution was a pivotal document that established the Philippines Commonwealth, marking a transitions toward self-government and eventual independence from the United States. It created bicameral legislatures with the elected President Manuel L. Quezon, serving as the first leader of the Commonwealth. The Constitution includes that a Bill of Rights, quarantining civil liberties, and establishing separations of power among branches of the government. It's also lead the good works for the Philippines independence by the setting timeline for full sovereignty by 1946. The 1935 Constitution was significant steps toward democratic governments and Filipino self-determinations. Okay?
Good morning, especially to you, ma'am. This is my report. The 1943 Constitution was a product of the tumultuous period of Japanese occupation during World War II, and it reflected the limitation of Filipino governance under foreign control. While it should to establish a sense of nationalism and self-determination, its implementation was largely overshadowed by Japanese influence. The Constitution did not survive long after the end of the war as the Philippines returned to its pre-war governance structure with the establishment of the Third Republic. Ang 1943 Constitution nahimo ni adtong panahon nga occupy sa Japan ang Pilipinas sa World War II. Tungod kay naa sa ilahom sa kontrol sa langyaw, limitado kaayo ang kagawasan sa gobyerno sa Pilipinas. Bisan ba og tuyo niini nga ipakita ang nasyonalismo ug kaugalingong kagawasan, mas dako gihapon ang impluwensya sa Japan. Wala kini nagdugay kay paghuman sa gubat mibalik ang Pilipinas sa daang porma sa gobyerno ug natukod ang Third Republic. The 1986 Freedom Constitution was a temporary but crucial document that played a pivotal role in the peaceful transition from dictatorship to democracy in the Philippines. It granted legitimacy to the Corazon Aquino administration and laid the groundwork for the creation of the 1987 Constitution, which firmly established the democracy framework that the Philippines continues to follow today. Ang 96 Freedom Constitution usa ka temporaryo pero importante kaayo nga dokumento. Gigamit kini aron malinaw nga mubalhin ang nasod gikan sa diktadora padulong sa demokrasyon. Naghatag kini og legalidad sa administrasyon ni Corazon Aquino ug nahimong pundasyon sa 1987 Constitution nga mao gihapon ang gigamit karon. The 1987 Philippines Constitution is a cornerstone of Philippines democracy. It was crafted as a direct response to the abuse and authoritarianism of the Marcos regime and serves as a shield to protect the country from the return of dictatorship. It enshrines fundamental human rights, promotes social justice, and ensure democratic governance while allowing for the participation of the Filipino people in the shaping of their nation future. Sa 1987 Constitution mao ang haligis sa demokrasya sa Pilipinas. Gihimo kini isip tubag sa pangabuso ug diktadura sa panahon ni Marcos aron mapugngan ang pagbalik sa diktadura. Nagpanalipod kini sa tao nga tungod na mapalig-on sa social justice ug nagpasiguro nga ang katawhan adunay tingog sa pagdumala sa nasod. The preamble of the 1987 Philippines Constitution, we sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God so that we may secure to observe and our posterity the blessing of the independence and democracy under the rule of law and regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality and peace, and promoting the general welfare and securing to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of democracy do ordain and promulgate his constitution. Preamble sa 1987's Constitution. Ang we the sovereign Filipino people nagpasabot nga ang katawhan sa Pilipinas mao ang tinubdan sa gahom sa gobyerno. Nagpakita usab kini nga nangayo ta og tabang sa Dios ug tumong sa konstitusyon nga napanalipdan ang kagawasan, demokrasya, hustisya, kalinaw ug kaayuhan sa